Summer exposes every shortcut in a man's wardrobe. The faded cap, the loud shirt, the wrong shoes suddenly have nowhere to hide. After 40, looking sharp in hot weather becomes easier when you remove a few habits. And one of the worst mistakes is probably already hanging in your closet. Item number 1. Loud Hawaiian shirts. A loud Hawaiian shirt can be fun on the rack. Put it on though, and the shirt often enters the room before you do. Huge flowers, bright palm leaves, cocktail prints, and clashing colors create so much noise that everything else disappears. That becomes harder to carry well after 40. Mature summer style looks stronger when the interest comes from fabric and cut, with color doing less of the work. You want personality. You simply want people to notice you before they notice the shirt. A soft linen shirt works well. So does a textured cotton blend. For a Cuban collar, try cream, pale blue, olive, or tobacco. If you enjoy pattern, keep the scales smaller and the colors quieter. A narrow stripe or a faded botanical print can still feel relaxed without looking like resort staff uniform. The Banana Republic cotton linen shirt is a useful example. It has enough texture to keep an outfit interesting, and it works with tailored shorts, linen trousers, chinos, or dark swim shorts. It is linked in the description. Fit matters too. Leave a little room through the body so air can move. The shoulder should still sit where your shoulder ends. Roll the sleeves once if you want a more casual look, and open one extra button when the setting allows it. Summer clothes also wrinkle and soften as you wear them. That relaxed texture looks good when the rest of the outfit stays clean. The easiest summer outfit is often the quietest one. A cream shirt with navy shorts and brown sandals needs very little decoration. Add sunglasses and a watch, then stop. When the fabric looks good, a giant hibiscus flower is doing work you never asked it to do. Item number 2. Old baseball caps. A baseball cap can look excellent on a man over 40 in summer. The trouble starts when the cap has been doing summer duty since your children were in primary school. You know the one. The black has faded to gray, the brim has lost its shape, a pale sweat line sits around the band, and the adjustment strap looks tired enough to retire. You keep reaching for it because it feels familiar. Everyone else sees an accessory that has simply worn out. A cap sits right beside your face, so its condition matters more than many men think. You can wear a clean polo with polished sneakers, then undo the whole effect with a cap that looks as though it lives permanently on the dashboard. Keep 1 or 2 simple caps in good condition. Navy, stone, olive, and washed blue are easy choices. Small embroidery is fine. Large patches and aggressive branding make the cap harder to combine with smarter summer clothes. Shape matters as well. A soft, unstructured crown usually feels more relaxed than a stiff promotional cap. The brim should have a gentle curve unless a flat brim genuinely suits your style. Most of all, keep the band clean. If washing no longer improves it, replace it. There is also no need to force a cap into every summer outfit. At dinner, a clean haircut and a pair of sunglasses may simply look better. This is a cheap area of the wardrobe to maintain, which makes neglect harder to defend. A fresh cap can make an old t-shirt look intentional. A tired cap can make an expensive shirt look careless. And once the cap is cleaned up, look down, because footwear can undo all that work. Item number 3, slides covered in logos. Slides have a place in summer. At the pool or beach, they make perfect sense. Problems start when giant logos turn them into the loudest thing below your ankles. Big branded rubber slides often carry a sporty teenage feel. That can work with swimwear or gym clothes. Pair them with linen trousers and a good summer shirt and the outfit suddenly loses its balance. The top half says you made an effort. The feet say you stopped caring 5 minutes before leaving home. That difference becomes obvious very quickly outdoors. A cleaner sandal fixes that quickly. Look for leather, suede, cork, or another material that develops character rather than looking disposable. Keep the shape simple and the branding small. Brown, tan, black, or dark olive will cover most summer outfits. The Birkenstock Arizona leather sandal is a strong example because the shape is casual while the material feels grown up. Wear it with linen trousers and a tucked polo, or with tailored shorts and an open collar shirt. The result still feels easy, which is exactly what summer footwear should do. Avoid pairs with thick foam soles when the rest of your outfit is slim. Heavy footwear can make bare legs look shorter and the outfit clumsier. Pay attention to your feet as well. Sandals expose everything. Keep your feet groomed and the sandals themselves clean. That sounds basic, yet it makes a larger difference than buying something expensive. There is one more rule. Know when sandals have reached their limit. A beach bar at lunch is fine. A smart restaurant in the evening may call for loafers or clean, low-profile sneakers. Comfort is useful. Convenience is useful. Your shoes still need to belong with the clothes above them. Item number 4. Bulky cargo shorts. Cargo shorts became popular for a reason. They are practical. The problem is the bulky version with giant side pockets, long hems, thick fabric, and enough storage for a weekend away. In summer, that much volume works against you. Warm weather outfits look better when the lines are cleaner and the fabric moves easily. Huge cargo pockets add width around the thighs. Long hems shorten the legs. When both happen together, the lower half can look heavy even on a slim man. You do not need to give up useful pockets. Choose shorts with a flat front and simple side pockets. That is usually enough storage. The hem can finish around mid-thigh or just above the knee, depending on your height. Leave enough room through the leg so the fabric does not cling when you sit. Length is worth checking in a mirror. Men often keep buying the same inseam out of habit. If your shorts end at the widest part of the knee, try going slightly shorter. The change can make your proportions look cleaner straight away. Fabric matters in heat. Linen blends and lightweight cotton are easier to wear than thick canvas. Stone, navy, khaki, and muted olive pair well with almost any summer shirt. Also check the waistband. A fit should stay in place without a belt doing the work. If the waist bunches under your shirt, the shorts are too loose. If the pockets flare open, they are too tight through the seat. Your shorts should support the outfit without taking over. If the pockets are so large that they swing when you walk, they are probably doing too much. Once your shorts are cleaner, the next weak spot is what you wear on top. Item number 5. Gym tank tops outside the gym. A gym tank top is useful when you are training. It is also useful at the pool. Once you start wearing the deep-cut tank to lunch or casual dinners, the outfit can feel unfinished. This has less to do with age than with setting. After 40, one of the easiest ways to look well-dressed is to show that you understood where you were going. A tank top says exercise or beach. A shirt with a collar gives you far more range. A knit polo is especially good in summer because it adds shape around the neck and shoulders without feeling stiff. Choose one with a soft collar and enough room through the body. Breathable fabric will handle the heat. You can wear it open at the neck with shorts during the day, then tuck it into lightweight trousers for dinner. The Alex Crane knit polo is a good reference for that relaxed approach. It feels casual enough for a holiday, yet it still looks considered with leather sandals or simple sneakers. Fit is where many polos go wrong. Avoid sleeves that hang halfway to the elbow and bodies that balloon around the waist. You also want to avoid a shirt stretched tightly across the chest. A small amount of ease looks better and feels cooler. If you prefer a t-shirt, choose one with enough weight to hold its shape and a neckline that sits flat. You do not need a collar every hour of summer. Color can make this even easier. Navy, cream, soft brown, and muted green work with most summer trousers and do not demand much thought. Save the tank for the places where it belongs. Everywhere else, a little structure goes a long way. Item number 6. Giant graphic t-shirts. Graphic t-shirts can be entertaining. The problem begins when the graphic covers half the chest or carries a joke you stopped finding funny years ago. Some shirts turn you into a walking advertisement. A large print grabs attention before the rest of the outfit has a chance. In summer, you may only be wearing a shirt and shorts. That one graphic then takes up a share of the visual space. If it looks dated, the whole outfit feels dated. A plain t-shirt gives you more room to work with. White, navy, charcoal, olive, and ecru are easy choices. Look for fabric with enough substance to drape cleanly rather than cling. The shoulder seam should sit close to your shoulder, while the body should skim your shape without pulling across the stomach. Sleeves deserve attention as well. If they are very wide, your arms can look smaller. If they are extremely tight, the shirt can feel forced. A clean sleeve that ends around the middle of the upper arm tends to suit most men. You can still wear graphics. Keep them smaller or faded, preferably tied to something you care about. A subtle band shirt under an overshirt can work. A huge slogan across the chest at dinner usually cannot. Pay attention to condition too. White shirts go dull and dark shirts fade. Necklines stretch too. Once that happens, move the shirt into homeware. Replacing a worn basic costs less than trying to rescue an outfit around it. The difference is easy to see in daylight. A t-shirt also lets better details show. Your watch, sunglasses, shoes, and fit become easier to notice. Now move below the waist because summer denim can age an outfit even faster. Item number 7. Ripped skinny jeans. Ripped skinny jeans can make summer harder than it needs to be. Tight denim traps heat and distressed knees pull the eye downward. An aggressive taper can make the rest of the outfit feel stuck in another decade. Jeans are still useful after 40. The cut simply matters more. A straight or gently tapered pair and a clean wash can look excellent with a polo or an open collar shirt. For the hottest days, though, linen trousers are usually easier. The ascot. Linen trousers are a good example. They give the leg more room and sit cleanly through the hip. They work with sandals or low-profile sneakers. They are linked in the description. Color makes summer trousers easier to combine. Stone works with navy and pale blue. Dark olive looks good with cream. Navy is useful when you want something slightly smarter in the evening. Keep the fabric light and let it fall naturally rather than forcing a sharp crease into everything. Watch the break at the shoe. Excess fabric pooling around the ankle can make relaxed trousers look sloppy. A small break or a clean cropped length usually feels better in warm weather. If you still love denim, save the heavily distressed pair for very casual settings and try a lighter straight cut for everyday wear. You will get more air around the leg and a shape that works with more shirts. Also avoid treating linen wrinkles as a flaw. A little rumpling is part of the fabric's appeal. Steam major creases, then let the trousers relax through the day. Summer style improves quickly when the lower half stops fighting the weather. A trouser that moves well can make the same shirt and shoes look much more composed. Item number 8. Neon running shoes with everything. Performance running shoes are excellent when you are actually running. They become harder to defend when fluorescent mesh and giant foam soles appear under every summer outfit you own. The problem is visual weight. Warm weather clothes are usually lighter and simpler. A linen shirt with tailored shorts creates a clean line. Add a bulky neon running shoe and your feet suddenly become the busiest part of the outfit. For everyday wear, choose a lower profile sneaker with a simple upper and restrained branding. White leather is easy, but off-white, navy, or soft gray can be just as useful. Suede also works well in dry weather because it softens the look without feeling sporty. Pay attention to sole thickness. Very chunky soles can make slim shorts look unbalanced. A moderate sole usually works better with bare legs. The same idea applies to trousers. If the trouser opening is narrow, an enormous shoe underneath can look clumsy. Keep your athletic shoes for the jobs they were built to do. Running and long travel days can justify comfort first. For lunch or a casual dinner, a cleaner sneaker usually fits the setting better during normal everyday wear. You also do not need pure white every time. Cream and light taupe are easier to keep looking fresh, especially on holiday when you may be walking through dusty streets or crowded stations. They also sit nicely beside tan or olive shorts. Condition matters here too. White sneakers lose their charm quickly when the leather is gray and the laces are brown from use. Wipe them down and wash the laces. Retire pairs that have collapsed at the heel. Shoes can be quiet, but the accessory sitting on your face is impossible to ignore. Item number 9. Cheap wraparound sunglasses. Wraparound sunglasses are useful when you are cycling, running, fishing, or spending hours on open water. They make less sense when the rest of your outfit is built around linen and a relaxed summer shirt. Sports sunglasses are designed to stay in place and block light from wide angles. That practical shape often looks too aggressive for everyday clothes. Mirrored lenses and bright frames can make the glasses dominate your face, especially when the outfit underneath is calm. A classic acetate frame is easier to live with. The Ray-Ban Wayfarer is a familiar example because the shape works with casual clothes and smarter summer outfits. You can wear it with a t-shirt in the morning, then keep the same glasses on with a polo or linen shirt later. Frame size matters more than the logo. The glasses should sit comfortably without squeezing the temples or sliding down the nose. If the frame is much wider than your face, it can look heavy. If it is too narrow, your head can appear broader. Lens color also changes the mood. Dark green and neutral gray are often easier to pair with most everyday clothing than strong mirrored finishes. Choose proper UV protection first, then choose the look you like. Try sunglasses in natural light before deciding. Indoor mirrors can make a frame seem darker and smaller than it really is. Keep a hard case in the car or travel bag. Scratched lenses and bent arms make even a classic frame look neglected, and replacement costs can add up faster than expected. Because glasses sit at eye level, people notice them quickly. A simple frame lets your face remain the focus and gives the rest of your summer wardrobe more freedom. Item number 10. Baggy board shorts everywhere. Baggy board shorts are built for the water. Problems start when they become the default shorts for an entire holiday, from breakfast to sightseeing to dinner. Long hems and loose fabric can make the legs look shorter. Large tropical prints add even more visual weight, especially when the shirt above already has pattern. Then come the oversized drawstrings and bulky pockets, which push the whole outfit further toward beachwear. For swimming, choose a cleaner pair with a moderate length and a simple waistband. Solid navy, dark green, rust, or a small pattern will usually age better than giant graphics. The shorts should have enough room to move without ballooning around the thighs when they are dry. Think about what happens after you leave the water. A neat pair of swim shorts can work for a casual beach lunch with a linen shirt thrown over the top. Once the setting becomes smarter, change into proper shorts or lightweight trousers. That small change makes a holiday outfit feel much more considered. Drying time matters too. Heavy fabric stays wet and clings to the legs. That can become uncomfortable during a long afternoon. Lighter technical fabric is easier if you plan to swim and then walk around. Check the waistband before buying. Elastic should sit securely without digging in. Drawstrings should be functional rather than decorative ropes hanging halfway down the leg. Also look at the lining. A mesh or brief style liner should sit and disappear under the fabric. If it bunches or cuts into the skin, try a different pair. Summer clothes are supposed to make life easier. Board shorts do that brilliantly near the water. Give them the right job, then let the rest of your wardrobe handle everything else. If this helped you sharpen your summer wardrobe, like the video and subscribe for more style advice for men over 40. The items are linked in the description. And watch the next video because summer clothes are only half the story. One colder weather mistake is even easier to miss.